30,000 vacancies in this job with a salary of lakhs. You will also get a chance to travel abroad. Start preparing. Hello, friends. Think if you get a job where the salary is lakhs, you get a chance to travel abroad and the life is full of luxury. But this is not a dream, but a reality. There is one such sector in India where 30,000 jobs are going to come in the next 15 to 20 years. These jobs will not only be limited to good salary, but you will also get opportunities to travel abroad. But understand one thing, this job is not for everyone. To succeed in this job, you have to undergo rigorous training and strict discipline. If you show courage and take advantage of this opportunity, your life can really change completely. But the question is, what kind of job is this? Why are so many jobs being announced? And the most important thing, how to prepare for this job. Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. Actually, this great opportunity is connected with the aviation sector of India. Ramohan Naidu, the Minister of Civil Aviation, has recently announced that India will need about 30,000 new pilots in the next 15 to 20 years. The main reason for this is that the domestic airlines of India are rapidly expanding their network. Currently, Indian airline companies have ordered a total of 1,700 new aircraft. That is, the number of airplanes in India will almost double in the coming years. This clearly means that the more aircraft there are, the more flights will increase and the demand for pilots will also increase at the same rate. At present, there are about 6,000 to 7,000 pilots working in India. But in the next 15 to 20 years, this number is going to reach 30,000. This opportunity is a great golden opportunity for the youth who want to make their career in the aviation sector. The dream of becoming a pilot is in the heart of many youths, but it is not so easy to get entry into it. Pilot training is not only expensive, but also very difficult. But if you get the job of a pilot once, then your life will be completely set. The reason for this major change in the aviation sector is that India is one of the fastest growing civil aviation markets in the world. The number of air travelers in India has grown exponentially over the past few years. The government is also taking many important steps for the rapid development of this sector. Under the UDAN scheme, work is being done to connect the small cities of the country with the air travel network. Many small airports have been constructed under this scheme and domestic flights have also started from there. When the number of airports will increase, the number of flights will increase and the number of passengers will increase, naturally the demand for pilots will also increase. This is the reason why the Ministry of Civil Aviation has planned to recruit 30,000 new pilots in the next 15 to 20 years. After this announcement, there is a great opportunity for the youth who dream of making a career in the aviation sector. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this job. Salary is the biggest advantage. A pilot's salary is lakhs of rupees. Even in the initial phase, a pilot gets a salary ranging from 2 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. As experience increases, the salary graph also goes up rapidly. Experienced pilots get a monthly salary of 10 to 15 lakh rupees. Apart from this, in this job, you also get a chance to travel to different countries of the world. There is also a lot of glamour in the job of a pilot. Special facilities at the airport, opportunity to travel in business class, stay in 5-star hotels, and a different kind of status are associated with this job. This is the reason why the craze for pilot jobs is increasing rapidly among the youth. But reaching this job is not so easy. To get admission in it, you have to undergo hard work and long training. To become a pilot, you first need to take training from a recognized flight training organization, FTO. There are currently 38 FTOs in India where pilot training is provided. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has recently said that the government will rate these training organizations so that the youth can get better training. After training, you have to get license from DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation. For this, it is necessary to pass written examination and medical test. Also, to become a pilot, you need to score well in subjects like physics and maths in 12th. Also, your English should be good because the language of aviation is entirely in English. After this, you have to take admission in a flight school. Here, you will be given training from single engine to multi-engine aircraft. In addition, you must complete at least 200 hours of flight training. After completing the training, you will get a commercial pilot license CPL. After this, you can apply in any airline company. If you want to work at the international level, then you will also need an international license. Airline companies hire pilots only after interviews and simulator tests. After becoming a pilot, you have to pass medical tests regularly. The work of a pilot is very challenging because during the flight, the responsibility of the weather conditions, technical problems, and the safety of the passengers is on the pilot. That is why it is very important for a pilot to be mentally and physically fit. Pilot job offers salary as well as other benefits. Airline companies also offer luxury hotel stays, travel allowances, free air tickets, and special discounts for families. Apart from this, even after retirement, pilots get a hefty pension and other benefits. This is the reason why the job of pilot is so popular among the youth. After this announcement of the government, now the youth have a big chance. If you want to make a career in aviation sector, then start your preparation now. Choose the right training center, strengthen your grasp of English and physics maths, and focus on medical fitness. If you meet all these parameters, then you can be sure that every dream of your life will fly. There will be massive recruitment in this sector in the next 2 decades. Now is the time for you to take advantage of this opportunity and give wings to your dreams. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.